today third class maths. Today third class maths, first chapter name is numbers and numerations. Numbers and numeration. So here after buying the books you have to write first page number 5 in your textbook. You have to fill this paper. Next, now I am going to explain this. In every bit I will explain 2 problems, remaining you have to write by your own. So first bit is write number name. First bit, write the number name. Here given some numbers. For that numbers you have to write the number name. First one 346. So you have to write number name. First you want to write a number name means first you have to know the place value of a number. For example 346. 346 means you have to check the place value of a number. In every number each digit has its own place values. While counting the place value, you have to start from the right side. So here first one is numbers. We will start the number with 1. So first one is 1's place value. Next 10's place value. Next 100's place value. Next if I am writing another place means it is 1000 place. Next after 10,000's place, like this. So first you have to know the place value of a number. First place value will start with 1 place, 1's place, 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000's, 10,000. By you have to count from starting, means it the right side. From the right side you have to start the counting of a place value. See here given first number 346. So you have to read this number, then only you will get the number name of a number. First here starting place value what? 1's, no? So starting place value is 1's. Next place value after 1's, 10's. Next after 10's, 100's. No. So 3 is in which place? 100's place. So we have to read the 3 as a 300. Next 4 is in 10's place, 40. 6 is in 1's place, 6. So total number how you have to read? 346. What is the number? 346. Now I am writing in number name 3. 3 is there, no? 3 spelling THREE 3. 3 is in which place? 100's place. So 300. HUNDRED 100. 300. 4 is in 10's place. 4 10's means 40. In 1's place 6. See here what is the number name of the number? 346. 346. Next like this you have to write another number. Next I am explaining second problem 305. Again you have to count the place values of a number. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. See here in 1's place is the 5 is there. In 10's place 0 is there. So 0 is not valuable number. Next 3. So 100's place. So how you have to read this number? 3 is in 100's place, no? So 300. 10th place nothing number is there. So you have to leave the number 305. No. 3 is in 100's place. So I am writing 300. 300. Next after 100's which place value? Before we have to write 100 before 10's place value. But here in the 10's place value nothing number is there. 0 is there. So we should not write 0. So 300 and you have to leave the 10's place 305. In 1's place which number is there? 5, no? So 5. So how we have to read the number? 305. 305. So or else you have to write 305. Like this also you may write. So next third problem, again I will explain third one. 5. If you want to write a number name, first thing what you have to do, write the place value of a number, no? 1's place, tens place, hundreds place. Start reading the number. 5 is in hundreds place, so 500. 5 again, next number, next 5 is in tens place, 50. Next 5 is in ones place, 5. So what is the number? F5 500, 500, 550. 5 is in tens place, 50. 1 is in ones place, 5. 55. So like this you have to write a number names. 555. Next remaining two problems are there, 990, 247. I explained these three problems. Remaining two problems you have to write yourself. Next in this page I am going for second bit. Second bit. Write the number for a number name. Write the numerals. Numerals means numbers. Numerals means numbers. Here given number name, before in bit number given, number name you have to write. Now number name given, number you have to write. First one 400. 459. You have to write the number. So how you have to write the number in hundreds place? Which number is there? 100. 400. 4 is in 100 place. 50. 50 means 5 is in tens place. 9. 9 is in ones place. So 459. 459. 459. Next one more problem. EIGHT 8. 835. Write the number. So first hundreds place 800. Hundreds place number 8. 8. Next 30. 30 means 3 is in tens place 5. 5. 835. So remaining three problems you have to do yourself. Next third one, write the greater than symbol or less than symbol or equal symbol. Here given two numbers. In these two numbers, which is the greater number, which is the smaller number, which is or else which are both equal, means you have to put the is equals to. So bigger number if is there, means you have to write two sides. Bigger number side you have to put two lines. If smaller number is in, means you have to put the corner side in the smaller number. Smaller than means if starting number is smaller number, then a second number means you have to put smaller symbol. How you find the smaller symbol? If you have the corner, it is a smaller than. If you have the starting two lines, it is the greater than symbol. For example, 516. Next 245. Read the number 516, 245. Two numbers are given. So in these two numbers, which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number? This is the 5. Here 2 is there, hundreds place, here 5 is there. So 5 is the bigger number, no? 5 is the greater number, no? So first number is bigger number is there, means you have to put the greater than symbol. Bigger numbers, bigger number. If you want to show first bigger number, means you have to draw. If you are drawing two lines in this side, means this is a bigger number. If you are drawing this corner side, means this is the smaller number, smaller than symbol. So 516 is greater than 245. So you have to write first number is bigger number, first number is greater number, means you have to write the greater than symbol. Next one more example. One more example is 347. Next 821. First in this greater than smaller than symbols, first you have to check only starting number. If starting number is bigger than second number, you have to put greater than symbol. If starting number is smaller than second number, you have to put smaller than symbol. 347, 821. Here hundreds place check, here 3 is there, here hundreds place 8 is there. So 3 is the greater number, 8 is the greater number. 8 is anyways, 8 is the bigger number. So starting number is smaller number. So smaller number means you have to put smaller than symbol. This is the greater than symbol, this is the smaller than symbol. Don't confuse in these symbols. First you have to check the starting number. If it is bigger than second number, you have to put greater than symbol. If starting number is less than second number, or smallest number in small number then second number is, you have to put smaller than symbol. And next is equals to, for example, 270, 270. Both are equal numbers, same number. So you have to put is equals to symbol. Next, last bit, fourth bit in this paper. Here given some numbers. For example, A 217, 134, 336, 872. Here given 4 numbers. First one is 217, 134, 336, 872. So here asking ring the greatest number. Greatest number ki ring cheyali. Next put the circle square box to smaller number. Smaller number, you have to round a circle box, square box. If greater number means you have to put the circle. In these 4 numbers, which one is the greater number? See, 200 is the great, 217, 134, 336, 872. Which is the big number for comparing to these 4 numbers? 800, no? So you have to circle the greater number. Next, which one is the smaller number? 1 is the small number. Comparing to remaining 2 numbers. So you have to draw the square box for the smaller number. Like this way, you have to complete this page number 5, the first chapter, and next class I will explain about a abacus system, how to write a number in abacus system. So after buying the books, everyone must and should buy the books. At home you have to do these problems. Today homework also this one only.